Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. So y'all, I know we've been in a pandemic for like a year now, but some people are still on the hunt for affordable products. So I decided to do a wash day using everything that I got from Walmart because of course we want good products, but we want them to be affordable. We want to be able to go to the store and pick them up. Ain't got time to wait for shipping, so here we are. So I'm just rinsing out a clay mask that I put in my hair. Of course, I love clay mask. My bentonite clay mask is like my favorite, and it just really resets my hair. So if you ain't on doing clay mask, I need you to get on it, boo-boo, because it's life. And I definitely need to incorporate these more often. I be forgetting, trying to do a whole bunch of other reviews, but yeah. So let's get into this Walmart wash day. So we're gonna start off with this shampoo from Nature's Little Secret. They are now in Walmart, and they deserve it. I'm sorry y'all to be foggy for a little minute, but that'll clear up. But this is their Cucumber Nourishing Shampoo. I really enjoy this shampoo. I've used this like 7 times now, and it's still like full. A little bit of this goes such a long way. I love the lather. It's nice and moisturizing, but it cleanses your hair. So this has been a good shampoo for me for about maybe almost a year now, and I swear y'all, I think this is a really good cleansing and moisturizing shampoo. Not stripping at all, nice light clean smell, and it just does the job. Cucumbers are rich in vitamin A and silica, sulfur, vitamin C, and other nutrients that promote hair growth. So that's another reason why I love this. I don't see anywhere on the bottle where it says that it is silicone or sulfate free. So I'm going to assume they're in there, but this still does make my hair feel real good. Y'all have been obsessed with my Vanity Planet scalp massager. Y'all need to get on it. I will leave the link down in the description box for y'all to get y'all one, because girl, I just been really loving this. So this is what my hair looks like after I rinsed out the shampoo. It's nice and soft, moisturized, clean, scalp is on, fresh. So I love this. Now we're getting into a co-wash. This is Twist by Ouidad. I don't know if this is new, but when I saw it in Walmart, I went ahead and picked it up. They had 3 levels of moisture, and the orange bottles are the ultimate moisture. They had like light and medium, but girl, we need ultimate. This pump, honey, was absolute garbage. They must have got it from Mael. I don't know where they got it from, but honey, we ain't got time for that. Y'all, baby girl was thick, like thick, like watch. Thick like that. Like for a co-wash, I was like, ooh, I don't know about this, y'all. But once I put it on my hair, baby girl was gliding through. She does have slip. Nice slip too. It's no silicones, no sulfates, mineral oils, petroleum, parabens, phthalates. So I was like, okay, thank you, Ouidad, for giving us something affordable or whatever. So this is what my hair looked like. I decided to do a little dip under the water, see what more water would do. And yes, ma'am, it did pick up the slip even better. So I was like, okay. And I didn't even pre-poo. So this definitely has some work to do. I normally do pre-poo, but I didn't this time. And I was here for it. So make sure you pick up the one in the orange bottle. Of course, I had the links below, but girl, this is the one for us type 4 girls. And I absolutely recommend that you use this in the shower because baby, your hair has to be soaking wet for this to work because she thick. And this is what my curls was looking like after I rinsed out the co-wash, and honey, the moisture was there. My hair was definitely more defined and moisturized after using this from the shampoo, even though the shampoo wasn't stripping, but girl, she came through. So now let's get into our deep conditioner, which is the Curl Quenching Deep Moisture Mask from Carol's Daughter. This is from the Coco Creme collection. Y'all already know that I love the butter, so I was hoping that I would love this too. It smells very similar, nice, rich, thick, creamy, buttery. It's 12 ounces, which y'all know my heavy-handed self needs. And I was like, what is this gonna do? Is it gonna give me, you know, my same satisfaction as the butter? Y'all, it was so like buttery and thick and creamy, and it like literally was like weighing my hair down compared to a lot of other deep conditioners. Like it was really weighing my hair down. So I just knew that I was gonna have some good moisture, and I was of course, here for that. Of course, there's no silicones, parabens, petroleum, mineral oil, or artificial colors. So this is a nice deep conditioner. It definitely made my hair feel nice, good, and moisturized upon application. So I just went ahead and distributed this all through my hair and put on a plastic cap, washed my body, and got on out. Okay, you guys, so I have rinsed out the deep conditioner, and for all transparency, I was definitely a little disrespectful because it says, you know, leave it on for like 5 to 7 minutes, rinse it out, or put on the plastic cap for 10 to 15 minutes or 30 minutes without heat. But my disrespectful self slept in it, so here we are. Let's go on and take this off, girl, and see what's popping. Okay, y'all, my hair is so nice and soft. She got some definition. Like, I just knew this was gonna be good. First, we're gonna start off with the Nature's Little Secret shampoo. Y'all, this is up to here, and this is like the 7th time I've used this. I really like this. It's nice and moisturizing, like cucumber smell. Like, it's just a good time. Love to see that she's in Walmart now. You go, girl, because she really does have good product. If you purchase this, I definitely think you guys would love it, and it will last you forever. Baby, this new kid on the block did not come to play. Okay, so y'all saw how thick it was, and y'all know I'm heavy-handed, and I was using a lot like I always do. I mean, you can get it from Walmart. It's very affordable, and you get a lot of product, 16 ounces. So you know I'm really going heavy-handed because we could just always purchase another one, right? Y'all saw how much I was using, and it's still up here. I don't even know what to say. This was a really nice co-wash for me. It was nice and creamy, had good slip, and then when you do the little boop, dip up under the water, the slip got even better. Now this is hella thick, so this is something I would only use in the shower. Like, I wouldn't use this co-wash outside of the shower. It's so damn thick. Like, you need to be in the shower because you need hella water. Like, you need to do that little head dip or whatever. You affordable. Like, I'm here for this. And her. So I already loved the twist butter from this line. I like the shampoo. I never used the conditioner, but the shampoo I like and the butter I like. So this, I'm like, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it, and I did. She was nice, creamy, buttery. Like, she was weighing my hair down. I said, oh, she's gonna give me what I need, and she did. I was heavy-handed like I always am, and still got some left, girl. So this is 12 ounces. I used about 8, but you know, we gonna use this other 4. No, I actually think I used like 6. Like, I got about half of it, so I can get one more use out of this, and I'm here for it. It's at Walmart. It's affordable, and this Coco Creme line from them is just the business because I really haven't used the other lines, but I don't really see a lot of hype about it. I don't really see a lot of people loving it and talking about it the way they like this line. So this line, for all the products that I've used from this line, have been the business. So this is no exception to the rule. This mask is good, affordable. Pick her up at Walmart. And y'all know all the links are down below in the description box. So God just bless this wash day, honey, from the dang on shampoo, co-wash to the DC. I mean, it don't get no better than that if all your wash day products is good. Like, we love it. We love it. So that was my Walmart wash day. Make sure y'all check out the links in the description box and grab y'all some of this, girl, because I need y'all to be blessed too, okay? So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and you need to subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.